To capture clear and stable footage without extra equipment on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable video stabilization feature in the camera settings. To do so, open Camera app and then tap the settings icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under video section, tap the gray on off switch next to video stabilization until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When the video stabilization feature is on, it will help you to reduce the unwanted motion or shake in videos caused by camera's movement when you are recording, especially handheld, by compensating for those movements to produce smoother and more professional looking footage. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.